Hey guys, Matthew here. Welcome to episode 2 on the Panopto tutorial channel. In this episode, we will look at a few different options when recording a screencast, the basic editing features available in Panopto, and the two options you have available to you in terms of sharing your content with your students. There's a lot to cover, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. When Capture Main Screen is selected, the sequence of events taking place on your monitor will be recorded. So if you are wanting to, for example, review your syllabus, this would likely be the best option for you to select. Just be sure and select an audio source so that your narration is recorded as well. When you are done recording, click on Stop and then upload the video. Navigate back to the Panopto library and refresh the page. You will see that the video has already begun processing. This may take several minutes depending on how long the video is that you've recorded. The finished product, without editing, will look something like this.
Welcome students to CAT 531 Computer-Based Instruction. I'll be instructing.
Of course, you always have the option of selecting your webcam to record as well, but Panopto does not currently have the ability for you to switch the webcam video source on and off during a recording. We will look at a way to get around this in an advanced editing video later on. For now, the finished product with the webcam selected without editing will look like this.
Hello students, good to see you. I am your instructor, Mr. Matthew McCart.
When Capture PowerPoint is selected, only the PowerPoint slides will be recorded. You can open a PowerPoint presentation from within Panopto and then begin the recording process when the presentation opens. Again, be sure and select an audio source so that your voice narration is recorded as well. When you are done recording, follow the same steps as before to upload your video to the Panopto library. Your finished product will look something like this.
Standard 1, the empowered learner. Students leverage technology to take an active role in achieving.
When you have unwanted content on the front and tail ends of the screencasts you record, let's see how to clean that up. You can get to the editing interface two ways. First, from your Panopto library, click here. Or, if you're in the viewer, you can click here. You can see where to trim the video based on the audio waves. Since these waves indicate where the narration takes place, anything before they start or after they finish can be trimmed from the video. Once you have determined where to trim the video, click on the scissors icon and then drag from both ends to the desired locations. If you make a mistake, you can undo your edits here or use Ctrl+Z. When you are satisfied with your edits, click Publish to save and create your new video. Now that we have a finished product, it is time to share it with our student. You can share a link or you can embed the video right on the Moodle homepage. If you choose to share a link, the best option for this is to add a URL. You'll want to change the display to open in a pop-up window. By default, the pop-up window will be very small, but you can increase the size of the pop-up here. 850 by 650 is a good size. If you choose to embed the video, the best option is to add a label. To access the embed feature, you must first click here and then here. Then paste the HTML code in the box. Now your video will show up on the landing page in Moodle. And if there is a webcam included in the recording, it will be minimized in the bottom right-hand corner of the video player. I hope that you've enjoyed this episode of the Panopto tutorial channel. And I hope that you know something now that you didn't know 5 minutes ago. Until next time, I'm Matthew. I'll see you later.